This is the Monax Pile Machine, a revolutionary new technology for interior helical pile installation. It's designed to navigate tight spaces, reduce labor demands, and deliver clean, precise results where traditional methods fall short. In this demo, you'll see how Monax performs in real job site conditions, from setup to operation. The Monax is compact and lightweight, allowing for access through standard doorways, downstairs, and can easily maneuver in tight areas. There is no dismantling required. It's a huge improvement over traditional equipment. The revolutionary Monax runs on a hydraulic power pack that connects easily in the field. A single worker can hook up the hydraulic hose in seconds, powering consistent torque and drilling performance. It's field-ready, efficient, and built for high performance in demanding environments. The self-anchoring unit clamps directly to the floor, providing a stable platform without the need to anchor to walls. This secure setup allows for controlled, precise installation, even on uneven surfaces. And because the drive head doesn't require manual lifting, operators can work more safely and efficiently. When deeper depths are required, Monax uses a secure coupling system to add 5-foot pile extensions with ease. Each segment locks in tightly to maintain alignment and torque integrity. The machine is operated remotely, providing full control from a safe distance. From speed adjustments to torque monitoring, every movement is precise and visible, reducing strain on your crew and making your projects easier to manage. The revolutionary Monax works from inside the structure, able to navigate down the stairs, so you can easily carry out foundation repair jobs 12 months a year. Our proven Monax Pile Machine saves time and money on foundation repair jobs. Smarter, safer, more efficient. That's the Monax.